trying not to laugh because I have to pee really bad.
Well, then go use the friggin' pisser and then come back and start laughing.
We're going to go inside.
Oh.
What are you doing? You're like feeling up my chin. I'm trying to tickle you so you'll laugh. Oh. You have a hairy hand. Michael, you literally have a piece of hair on your hand. She's got pubic hair all over her hand. What does that tell you? That's where it came from. I'm kidding.
Do you know what that tells me? It tells me that I just got that on video. I got that on video too. It's all good.
Are we still on video?
Yeah.
How you doing, my Facebook? No. Are you dropping all of us? Yes, dropping the chips all over the bed. I like a chippy bed. Sarah, look at all the crumbs. That's on your side of the bed. So suck it. Don't tempt me. Ow! Did you see that? No. This came randomly. Right on the bed, like...
You sound like a squirrel being raped.
Oh my god, thank you.
And I am getting this on video too. Sarah, calm your shit!
And the chip, like, stuck to my face out of her mouth. Oh my god. And then she's laughing and she put her hand in my mouth.
I'm glad I'm recording this moment so I can look back on it like every day and start laughing. Just because it's that funny.
She wants me to put the phone near my face so that you can hear me laugh, and she freaking hits me in the nose with the phone. Oh my god.
And
Okay.
that's what was so funny?
What?
Isn't that what was so funny?
Okay, the other day, we were sitting in her kitchen, and so, oh my god, that was so funny. Yeah, I had a piece of tape on my face for some reason. I had it there all day, and we were talking about how Jade always loses things. Like, I was like, I lose my iPod, I lose my mitts, somehow I lost my boots, and her dad's like, did you lose a piece of tape? And everyone was still laughing, and Sarah just like couldn't control herself. Like, it was ridiculous. I've never seen her laugh so retardedly. Like, hysterically, she was like laughing. And
That's really funny.
I never got it. 20 minutes straight, and I was like, Jade didn't get it, and I was trying to explain it to her, but I couldn't even breathe because I was laughing.